Okay, so I've drilled the first hole in the trailer, and we're starting with our beehive mounts. Now, the beehive mounts I use from Grand General are sealed, and they have one tiny little hole right there that I'll put the line through. Now, these are the 10 LED beehives. And the really cool thing about these is they're stupid bright. If you look deep in there, you can see it's full of LED lights. So when this light emits, I put it right here about a foot ahead of this bend. When this light emits, it's going to reflect against the fender of the trailer. So when you look in your rearview mirror, this light goes all the way over here to the side. So you're going to get really, really bright light. You'll be able to see the sides of your trailers. And then we've got another surprise. I'm going to have rock lighting inside here, lighting up the entire wheel well area. Just another advantage to our trailer build.